Welcome to Jamaica Carnival 2025, where the vibes are electric and the energy is infectious. We're diving into the heart of the island's celebrations, where music, dance, and culture come alive. From the vibrant streets of Kingston to the sun-kissed flora, Shami brings you the essence of this unforgettable experience. So, buckle up, and let's get ready to experience the ultimate carnival adventure in Jamaica.
Together right there in the backyard jam. I will go diggy. Welcome to the Carnival vlog of 2020. Make some noise, yeah. What you look like? Please put some. It's currently Carnival Monday, aka Easter Monday, aka April 21st. We're on our way to the gym. Yeah, already I was supposed to be there, yeah, but the gym is 24. Somebody chat me. The gym is 24 hours, so we can get in. So we're going. I mean, yeah, you know, the lady up on the last lap, she wants her belly in her back. So
stop going like, so what about you? You're only about me.
It's not that serious for me.
So you still keep active.
For all my returning people, big up on yourself. For all new people who just are joining, if the carnival festivities, get comfortable, draw one chair, so don't go one side. If you decide to stay, then you can come in at the main room. But right now, our vibes. As you guys can see, I don't know if you watched my last vlog, I already got my nails done on Saturday. It's matching my costume, but of course I don't know what to say. Well, we're not gonna see it night on it anyways, but I don't normally show the costume when I pick it up at distribution. I normally wait till the week day for the one. No make no sense, but it just give me peace of mind. When still I gonna see it, but you know, yeah, my costume should be collected tomorrow, but I'm just going to wait until Wednesday because so on for collect Wednesday. So I'm saying instead of go 2 days, I could just go to 1 day and collect 2 of them one time. If I have to collect way fast, Miss Harry.
But on times too.
Yeah, we're almost at the gym, so I'll reach you guys. I'll talk to you guys when I'm there. So let's just see. Guys, towards at the end of me being there, I'm not saying a lie. My nose, me, and mouth everywhere I smell Chinese food. I taste Chinese food in my mouth. I'm noticing no, we're not open today. We sell Chinese food because first of all, Chinese food places they don't like to open on a Monday and a holiday. I want a box of sweet and sour chicken and some noodle and the little pak chow and cabbage on the side. Oh. But anyways, we're done. The people in full up in there, Jimmy, see? Fully, it's the most packed I've seen it since we start.
Yeah,
why this man had park facing and look like he can't come out?
I even don't know why I'm coming here, so that's what we're in for today.
So big jump. I come home from gym and maybe I'll let them something there. But remember how I told you guys that my costume was supposed to be collected tomorrow and I was going to wait until Thursday, Wednesday. Scratch all of that because we're not getting an opportunity to collect it today, this evening. It's now 4:30, so in the next in the next 2 hours, yeah, if I go collect them, it kind of feel like, oh my god. Actually, I get a costume. Some people not really, but you know, I'm excited. I want to put it on and say, look for me. If anything, I can get it adjusted and all of that. I will collect both with Carnival costume and with Juve package. So. The vlog started festive on the very first day. We're collecting our costumes, period. Still not showing, so holding excitement. This is my little outfit. We're like a bell bottom. Oh, people. Sore. Yeah, I'm a little crop top. I'm a little bag. And I'll eat this. Time for a collect. Because
Maybe up you whenever you pull it up. In a traffic you ready up with the phone. Give anything, me have to go lock it up. Baby, don't just a go.
people might get them content in a full course.
So give me some. We pretty baby, she never me touch you. Keep on it, baby, that got me up. More you bubble and top it up. So me touch it very hard. Fiesta. Everybody turn up, selector.
As I was saying, the camera was in slow-mo, so everything, yeah. She might matcha somewhere, matcha.
She is doing the most. Listen,
It tastes bad.
the matcha, I feel like it's definitely an acquired thing. Definitely. But let me tell you the mix that I got. I got an iced matcha latte with oat milk, white mocha, sweet cocoa foam on top, and a shot of espresso. Because, you know, I like coffee. It tastes good. It tastes good.
Tastes
Try
like
it. If you're a matcha person, try it.
Tastes like girl.
Definitely an acquired thing. Me can't knock her. She don't like coffee. She don't like matcha. But
Me can't,
she's a
I don't
strawberry
even know
frap
what to
girl.
compare the
Let me taste a
taste
strawberry
to.
frap.
Because me don't know, guys. It's very original. I
That's
never,
too sweetie.
I never tasted it. Alright.
It has a purpose.
Yeah,
you
so
know?
you drink your purpose, me drink my
Non-purpose.
right. Me drink my enjoyment, my pleasure. You drink your purpose.
Well,
When
this is a cheat
If it's a
act.
purpose, this me don't want
No,
a
this is
purpose in
actually
my
a cheat,
life.
but cheat
Sorry.
with purpose, you know? That's what it gives me. Yeah.
Anyways, I'm going to check to see if my other clip will be in a slow mo. I don't see it is, but I'm going to check.
That would
but I
be
just-
so.
So I just finished collecting my costume. Well, I've collected it for a little minute now, but I was doing a reel for them. So I don't even know what time it is right now. Let's see. It's 8:23. Ooh. So been here for like 2 hours and some. Put my cut off first. Okay. Ooh. But yeah, we're gonna go home now, and then I'll talk to you guys. I'll show you guys what's inside the goodie bag. I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys tonight or tomorrow, but yeah. So we're back home. Picking up our costumes took a little bit longer than I anticipated because they asked us to shoot something for them really quickly, but my window is open. Anyways, I got a whole bunch of stuff, including the duffel bag that you get with a costume. I have my costume box around there. My headpiece upon it, so I'm gonna take it up. Got this little bag here. I got this bag for Juve. And I have this bag, so I think I'm going to go to the smallest one first, which is this. This is so cute. I need to take a picture of it actually. I need to take a picture. I got a cap. I got a cute little activewear set, like off the shoulder Alta vibes. I got a KFC branded wireless charger, some aloe vera gel, and this GenXS water bottle. Super cute, super cute. Bag number 2, which is the Juve bag. We have a full-size mango and tulsi botanical blend mousse. Okay, GenXS. We have a curl smoothie packet, 2 actually. We have 2 curl smoothie packets and 3 rosemary mint and strengthening leave-in conditioner. Pretty sure this is a bonnet. A St. Mary's banana chips or GenXS Juve cup. Have insect spray, cooling lotion, phone bag, a suitcase tag, aloe vera gel packets, have a rag to wave, some chapstick, reduction, Nature Valley bar, some Alka-Seltzer, a condom, and some coupons. That is all for the Juve bag. So now we're going to go into the main bag. We have another, watch me, you just drop it in here. We have another meal bag. You don't say. Scalp and edge cleansing oil, pack of these masks again, body oil from Wendy's 57. It kind of smells like dessert. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but we're gonna find out. In any case, moving on. Got this big bottle of aloe vera gel. I'm assuming this is the cup that we're supposed to bring on the road. It's branded with the sponsor and GenXS. Oh, and we have another one. This is the one I would take on the road. Another bonnet from Miel. Have another St. Mary's banana chips. Another condom. We have some more coupons. And we have our fun. Seriously, this is what's on the fun. There's a sponsor and it's branded GenXS on both ends. And yeah, that's all. In all the goodie bags, the only thing left in my showing it would have been my costume. I'm not showing it that yet. So, we're gonna go to a cardio fitness class tomorrow night at Express Fitness. So we're not going to gym in the day. We're going to go at 7 instead. And go to that class in our branded GenXS workout set. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm a camera battery I did too. So tomorrow. It's Tuesday. I'm not saying that I'm just wake up from my nap. It's after 6 because we are going to a fitness class with GenX. We have our merch. We'll come out at a stunting, and this is not it. So I'll show you guys what I'm going to look like in. Alright, so this is the outfit. I have my GenX hat, this sports bra branded GenX, this tights also branded GenX. Now you can't see it though because it is right there. But yeah, this is how we're pulling up to the class. See you guys when we're there. I'll show you a little bit how we're going at people in class. And I also have the GenX back home. I'm getting another bag. It was tough, but hopefully it melted up by the time I reach. Let's see. Well, we're on time today. It's currently 6:56 and the class starts at 7. But you know, the class, one of them classes where if you can read 720, read 720 because that man goes hard. Hard, may I tell you. So, yeah, we're almost there still. In our GenX clothes. We are here, but we're early.
Right up. Who is that now? Knees up. Right down. On up. Knees up. Knees up. Next step. 9, 8.
Bam! 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 Bam!
Still not here in the back.
Bam! Bam!
No, and people as a one side and
then 1, 2, 3. Watch me. 1, 2, 3. Bam! Alright, no. We have to 10 more on this side and then we come back. 2 to go.
No.
No one. And I sprint up, everybody do 2. And you're gonna walk down and sprint up and you're stretching.
While everybody's
walk
walking
down,
out.
Sprint up.
It is Tuesday. Wednesday. We're about Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. So the week I run fast. It's Wednesday and we're about to. I haven't worn my hair like this in a very long time because when you know so I cut it, I chop some very harsh layers in there. It look full if I wear it out, but today it don't look so bad. Like it have blend in a little bit. Right. But we're going to the river. We're going to this river called Pretty Close in Gordon Town. It's going to be like a whole river dining experience, but I'm not going to go too deep into it. If you want to see that whole experience, you guys can go ahead and check out Swan's vlog, not the carnival vlog, the one before the carnival vlog. You can go ahead and check that out. Of course, me showing the place, me showing all the montage, but as far as the details and all of that, go over to Swan's vlog if you guys want to see that. As you can see, it's a fresh face day. Let me just catch up my hair now. And I'm wearing this yellow sundress. I don't know if you guys know, but I don't really like yellow and orange, but I told myself that I'm going to try wearing everything because you never know. You just never know what might complement your skin tone the most. So I bought this dress a while back and this is the first time I'm wearing it. I'm gonna put on my glasses and show you. And yeah, I'm just wearing these glasses. Yeah, and then in the night we're gonna catch a movie. We're gonna watch Sinners. It just came out and there's a lot of hype about it. Would have watched it earlier, but of course Carib she never did have it until today, right class, right? So I really have nothing else to tell them right now. The class last night was my pain all the way up. But we're gonna go and we're gonna have to do a little hike. But I saw it go. We're gonna head out and I will see you guys when we're in the car with Mr. Travis, Mr. Chillum Tours. Guys, get up big and bad. And I said, oh, you might take out in river shoes. Oh, yeah, hype.
Two different
You know, you can't fit one.
What's the Marie?
5 or 4.
Try it on, you see, man, I try
Not in a charge apart from my foot. I'm gonna put this in a sports mode. Ready, mommy, pause.
2 days later.
Well, look like you want to Travis so wear you can't find the other foot. You have a favorite?
I want a new one that you might look for.
Like,
We reach our Travis because the reason why I made that doubt it, you know. Yes. So. Him still a search for the 1 foot of shoes. And him have 3 more. Him have other one in them, I don't know what. It's about that one there. It probably drop out because the trunk here is so small. Stand up and watch Travis put her film shoes and I realize I need to do the same. Travis, it lasts. Come to grips with the fact that it lasts. It could have newly come. Yeah, no, but him still look for the other one. Him said that one the new. It's given we never have nothing because why we just get the bag and we jump up in it already.
right? We just wanted the fresh, the new.
Yeah.
Oh, then that 9 that Travis in it.
No, I'm not. You better call the people.
You go and first, Travis. You pull it. If anything, I go back. Thank you. Alright guys, so we're here. It looks like it. This is where we're going to be dining. When I stand line, one of the workers them were great. We want woman attitude stink. Attitude stink with a drip or because why you chat to me like some girl under your miss? What you mean? Go walk in that place, not even look at hello, hi, good morning. Go on park, we can't park this. So excuse me? Excuse me? Miss Swan. Hello, don't talk to us. No, she, but with the officer, I mean, that's a miss. Not even look a good morning. Before we even reach down the step, them yeah, but come on, how many mentions? I don't see this morning, really. Anyways, the men are pleasant, so yeah. Pause, guys. Guys, man, have good hand and foot coordination. Have come.
The man never come.
Say, yeah.
But we can't stop now because... See ma come there.
He might come.
And we have go about business.
I have good hand, foot and head coordination, so.
Eh?
You know? Mommy, you afraid I'm mongrel? Watch her.
Ah.
Lead the way.
Right. Really weird. He is leading the way.
You know, mommy sound like so on the camel.
Very nice.
Where do we are?
We're rich.
My little the sink is all bigger than this.
Yeah. Them two, yeah, clean up river. Travis goes to what? Oh, no, these are me. Oh, no, clean up river. What? Try to go back around people because we are one next group today. And then pick up myself and I cut silently. So we're saying, now left for your own, yeah. And then not even say, we're going, guys. Them just get up, lift up. I see me say them pass through the slim rock and me I see. That don't look like. Oi! You know, so if you drop me a laugh and then help you, so do not drop. Okay, me drop. Okay, me drop you, I go laugh too. So nobody drop. Guys, my sorry, so my breadfruit. My roll like a yeah. How you feel? For be the only one
I
for
call
drop.
breadfruit. Not
Tumble boop. White people, them wet me up. It don't look like it, but them wet me up. And so I drag me go underneath. Right, this so. Go sit down. But I barely found a bit. But yeah.
We're about to have lunch and we're gonna get everything on the menu. We're gonna get fried fish, ackee saltfish, callaloo, fried green plantain, fried red plantain.
Them never say nothing about breadfruit. More that ear to this breadfruit. So all this rice and peas, ital stew. I'm looking forward to it. My mouth is watering. So we're about to head out. Rain kind of come down. You ready for this one?
Yeah, very enough.
Yeah.
Oh! You ask me so like you're on the same way.
So we know say.
You know, sir.
Anyway, yeah, we're about to leave now. We're gonna buy the movie tickets and then go. And we are back. But we have the movie at 8:15. We're actually doing the 4DX experience. Really excited for that because I've never done it before. As long as it's been here, never been. So we're going to experience that for that movie. And we might go to Republic in the night, but just for that I gotta go one drink. So yeah, I'm tired. My walk, my hike. I went, I saw, I conquered. I'm a little bit sleepy, but if anything, I take a little. You know, so my screen protector I want to change. I lift up off iPhone. If anything, take a little one up. a little nap, a little nappity nap. A nap never hurts nobody, okay? If you want to conquer the world, just take a little 20-minute power nap and you're good. But yeah, I might do that before I go all of them place there. So yeah, imagine when you start gonna party it. See you guys. See you guys. Yeah. Good morning, y'all. It's Carnival Thursday. Don't mind me here. I'm tired. You see this? I'm tired. And honestly, I don't know how I'm in a practice already. I'm not really going to party yet. Like, I'm tired. So yesterday we went to the the fall/river, and then we went to watch a movie, Sinners, and then we went to a bar in the night. But those two things that I said last, you'd have to go check it out in Swan's previous vlog, not the Carnival vlog, the one before the Carnival vlog. Sinners, I give Sinners I said 7 last night, but to be honest, I give it a 6.5 out of 10. The way people are going on social media was like, oh my god, I thought I would not be able to sleep. But as I said, I don't really find, as I said in Swan's vlog, I don't find vampire stuff scary like that. It's just like what really elevated the experience was the 4D, because we did 4D for the first time. That was really good. That they did this like an opening scene before the movie start where you get to feel all the elements of the 4D chair. Chef's kiss. If Avatar is released this year, I'm watching it in 4D, because what? Chef's kiss. But I'm going to my wax appointment. Yeah. When I believe so, I don't know, I have a stocking in our shoes. I don't have my Carnival Day sneakers, and I do have no stocking. But I think I go buy the stocking today. And my lash appointment is in 3:30 tomorrow. So after I'm done with that, I'll just walk over to the sneaker store and get a sneaker. They might buy one get 2 free. So yeah. But yeah, we're going to my wax appointment in a few. My appointment is at 11:20. It's currently 10:44, so I'll leave at like 11. This is my least favorite appointment ever, but once I'm done, I'm always like, but get me to like pain, but I like pain, but I like feel pain. Outside of that, I have some work to do, and then I'm not sure where we're going tonight. We're supposed to be going to an event tonight. I'm not sure which one. So I gotta figure all of that out after my done wax, go buy my stocking at the band house, and then yeah, we figure that out in the evening part. But for right now, let's go rip the hairs off our coochie.
You got this.
You're not gonna tell me nothing. Murder. I feel so free.
Here we go, let's take a deep breath.
Oh, that's not bad. Thank God.
Not bad, not bad.
Alright. Okay.
Nice.
Amen. I am done, guys, but I have to take Travis go home because so I went to the gym. Tell me why Travis back all the way down there. Why me say I walk? Are we kidding this, Are we? Imagine, I just works. Me in a pain. Well, I'm not really in a pain. And Travis have helped me a walk. This man hates me. He hates me. Oh crap. Oh shoot, my key. I leave my key in a I left my key. I left my key. Tell me why this man a driver left me same way. You know such Travis Nancy say? Travis Nancy guy. Let's see if he's not got tap. You love ramp?
You know it.
Mr. 5. You know see the big number 5 down there, sir? Oh. Okay. Okay, got you. So funnily, the last place you guys saw me is exactly where I'm right now. I'm back at the wax lady and I'm in the car because Swan had an appointment after me. The appointment got pushed up though because somebody had cancer, so she got the slot. But in any case, I did leave my key in the car, so I had to call mommy. Mommy was at home. Luckily she was on her way home, and God just orchestrated it in a way where as soon as she got home, I was right at the gate. So we were at the gate at the same time. Lovely. God is beautiful. Yeah, right now I'm about to go to the band house, as I said, to buy a stocking from Merch because they're the ones that are selling the super high-waisted stockings, and my panty cut is very slim. It's like this, so a regular V-band stocking wouldn't work. So I'm getting the ones that come all the way up here from Merch. Those are the people that that's the girl that I bought my fanny pack from last year. That's actually the same fanny pack that I'm using this year, just because I don't think it's that serious. I really don't think it's. I think I bought that fanny pack for like $5 So green, then I'm a costume, may I wear the green fanny pack. So yeah, that's the MO. So I'll see you guys when I'm there. Oh, we're also going to GenXS's first party event of the season tonight. It's touchdown at Janga's, so I'm not 100% sure what time we're going there because I don't get the tickets yet, but that's on the agenda for tonight. So after we're done all up on the road in the night, we're going to touchdown, and then tomorrow night we're going to Friday Jam, and then Saturday morning we're going to Sunrise, and then Sunday's Road March Day, and then Monday, you guys aren't seeing in this vlog, so that's not relevant. So yeah, that's the rundown for the weekend. From this point onwards, I hope I'm doing a good job, guys. May I try my best. I am so tired right now. I'm so sleepy. I'm still not done with work. I don't know how I'm gonna make it through, but I'm gonna make it through. We will survive. I'm a survivor. I feel I walk from the other side of the road, from next door. To go over there, because in the full to capacity. Inside full to capacity. So they're on the roadside. I've never walked on this road before. Ever.
I mostly will pass it on Carnival Day.
Yeah.
Later.
But not like on the sidewalk.
I've
so just
never been
casually
on the
walk.
sidewalk.
Ever.
Yeah. I'm not used to them bus stop there.
You know, this is uptown people bus
This
stop.
is definitely uptown people bus stop. I don't know about the bus stop there. Only downtown people bus
Well,
stop.
they know about the bus stop them down way and have no shade. You know? If you're in a fall, you have to just
You
call
take
it a day. Yeah.
Yes, I don't want you to feel like, oh, them get uptown, you see?
No, we definitely know about the bus stop.
We
Them.
know about the bus stop.
Just
them,
not
yeah.
them one here up here.
But
So
yeah,
these
no,
ones
it's
are the
bougie. We only-
uptown bus
Isn't
stop.
that crazy? Yeah, they did on the downtown bus stop there. But you drive to past the uptown one day.
That's levels in life, honey. That's how it's supposed to go.
Huh?
May I say levels in life, that's how it's supposed to go.
Yeah.
So knowing is now secured. I remember how I say if I don't get the stocking at this band house, I would go to the other one to get it. That's what we're going to have to do because they are not here. The competitor is here and I'm guessing they booted them out. So we're going there to get that one because I don't want the other one.
Because I mean,
I
this
want
is the one
the
that works
merch
better with the costume
stockings.
You know, because you see, because we costume them, the size come all the way up, like they're super high.
Super
the
high.
regular V's will not be high enough.
And even if it wasn't the super high, would I get the regular V from them because the back V as well, the front and the back V. So you're not seeing a band no way. The other one isn't like that. So I'm hell bent on getting this one. So we are going to the other band house.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's where
All
we're
the way neater. The
That's where we're
others
going.
because the line show it tacky.
Yeah. Secure the stocking. Well, people can't stop mop me off now, so I'm prepared. The only thing left for my buys are sneakers.
Yeah, because I was just about to say that.
I'll get my sneakers tomorrow when I finish my lash appointment, and then I'll be good to go. Okay? Yeah. So guys, I'm ready to go to the event. Me personally, I don't like how I look right now, but I just need that. I have on a white jumpsuit. Honestly, it's a very basic outfit, but I'm gonna take a shot because I'm feeling very annoyed. I'm gonna take a shot and I blow up like a spirit because I want knife. And tonight is like the first official set of Carnival week, so I just need it done, Julio. Whew. Alright. I don't know about you, but I come here to Fetes, come to play a mass. I ain't leaving until I come to play a mass. Don't make my appearance fool you. I am extremely tired. I don't know if I got much footage from last night because the initial event that we went to, we got there late. We got there when it was almost over and it was tight. Like it was like me have to stand up so and I squeeze up to make people pass. So they kind of hard for me record, and then afterwards we kind of intruded on a party, and then after that we went to the club, and the club was also very, but I think I got some clips. So yeah, I'm not 100% sure what we're doing tonight, but for right now I'm going to my lash appointment and then I'm going to buy my sneakers. Finally, a Friday, the Friday before Carnival Sunday, I'm gonna buy my sneakers. Yeah, me business. This gonna get done, and that's all that matters. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna get my sneakers, and then after that we're supposed to be having lunch/dinner at Mystic Thai, but not like for long because it depends on what we're doing in the night. Really, the length of the Mystic Thai par depends on what we're doing tonight, and then in the morning we have sunrise, and then Sunday of course. But I'm tired. Like, I just feel like if we don't do anything tonight, I will be okay. I will be happy. Maybe someone to come pick me up for carry me to my lash appointment. Hopefully she don't fail me with the pickup because it's the first time I go to the lash girl. You know, it's the first impression and last thing. I don't want late. I hope she knows say me don't want late. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm at the lash girl. Just got done with my lashes. This is how they are looking. Super cute. So now I'm gonna go into kicks, which I find as me to go in costume. And rain a fall, unfortunately. I'm not in it with them because them tell them I have buy one get two free, but I think that they just hike the prices. So yeah, actually I pay for even 2 out of the 3 sneakers because it was basically 9 grand. One could flimsy sneak. I'm not do it, I'm not wear it after that. Hell no. I found this is a bit big, but it matches my costume perfectly, so I'm considering just getting it undone. I can't bother with the stress. So remember, I'm telling you say kicks. May I go right? Right. I say kicks I buy one get 2 free. So I'm going, you know, say for them shoes. Cheap, like them light. Yeah. I'm going to really see nothing. I take up one when I say I resort to one pink and purple one. When she bring the box, come leave and I feel the box. Try it on. Look at the price, a $9,000 feet. So I walk out same time, so I say I pay that. I go to Sammy's and I find one sneakers. It's a little bit bigger than my foot, but when I tie it up, it look neat for my foot. So I say, alright, I work with it. Guess how much I get it for? $2,700. Let me show you the sneakers.
What?
Lie!
I know you're lying.
$2,700.
Watch the camera. What? What?
That's Shayla.
A joke you make.
$2,700.
And this is when these kicks get so. They must have tariff.
No, you don't get the trick. Buy one, get 2 free. They might charge you for all 3 sneakers.
Exactly.
The birds are chirping, sun is shining. So you know what that means?
Sun is shining.
It's sunrise morning. Good morning, guys. Wake up late. Well, to other people it would have been, well, yeah, because early. But for we, it's late. We were supposed to wake up at 5:30, we woke up at 6:30.
So, one thing about we know, we don't operate based off of other people.
Because, well, we get the best out of the experience. And I was like, so I want to get that. We can't wake up early. We got early.
For true.
We got early.
Honestly, if we were supposed to go in the hour where most people
It would be
arrive,
miserable.
I would enjoy myself.
It would be so miserable.
My life would be settled.
Me easy to get miserable, like, and can't bother. Make the sun too hot. But yeah, we're gonna do our faces. So I already start because
you take long for beard.
she's an impatient girl. I had to near my feet. I had to do that.
You should have done that from last night.
I was tired last night.
For sure.
I am done. Guys, I make one heart sock bun and the whole works and so on say it's not giving art. I don't know if you can see it around
It's
here.
not giving art for true.
Not giving art. I'm gonna take time out and make it sitting in there. But yeah, this is my beloved half wig. Love her down. I know it looks like my hair before I'm gonna cut it, but my hair would not curl like this. So this is her. I am gonna go. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. I'm gonna go get dressed. And then we're gonna mosey on down to Caymana's Golf Club. Alright guys, so I am finished getting ready. This is my outfit. Hold on, let me try give you a better view. Everything is from Fashion Nova. I have this little gold acrylic bag, and I have some little strap up. Right.
You could have done one more in unison.
Never
Yes, I laugh and goof around before time. You can't take nothing serious, you know. Chat.
Not her clocking my tea. Anyways.
Some close-up shot because I want to give variety to the outlook. Ready? Show me.
It's a beautiful day to have a beautiful time with some beautiful people. That group of Trinidad, they're coming up. Sunrise look, my people. Show me a sunrise look right now.
Make some noise to the ladies, please. Ladies, you all look very beautiful. Make some
Happy birthday, Swan!
I don't know about you, but I come here to flex. Got to pay. Until my head. Bro, I know money, bro. Low. Drinks in the hand now. Trouble by the way. Hands up. Never be here. One, two.
That's so sweet.
put everything in here right now. Put it on, put it on, put it on, put it on.
I took a piece of chicken me get you get here too and you name one so that I'm not for do with me.
But man, say you move so stush. From me bring the KFC.
No,
I should bring no KFC.
because I eat Aki. I never want
You're
too much
lucky.
food.
The Aki wasn't enough. Okay,
Alright, let me show you how this go now. Let me give you your
Oh, I eat the chicken now.
Yes, ma'am.
Because lady, the security guard
Yeah, but
said
the ketchup-
that is around 3 o'clock. I did take
That
up
is how it
ketchup.
go.
Wow,
We
she
left the
really
ketchup on the
give me
table.
one.
Yeah, you ate your
told
other one.
Yeah.
It's time for me to eat my two.
I bring her the KFC chicken and she go like she stush.
I was full. And I told you that I was
and
full.
banana could full up my body. This is so good. Imagine food up, friend. It's been in the sun the entire time, so I can't really keep it. Yeah? Oh wow. This is good. This is lovely. This is a cheat. And this whole sunrise session
Can I get you something now?
has been a cheat. It's been a cheat for me. I'm going now. You know, I can make it.
I can't chat.
They're lucky. There's something about it. But
It's not bad. I feel like and then I come out even they make the food extra good.
guys, we're going bye. Tastes good for Trina. Gotta get extra season. I feel like I need one side for you to eat with this.
It will do. Damn. It's 9 minutes left on the camera, guys.
What time is it now?
The time is 3:43 p.m. Guys,
I feel like I'm gonna take a 20 minutes.
listen, no, I'm gonna tell you what I'm right now. I'm gonna sleep until mommy come home with the food, and then I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna eat the food, and then I'm gonna edit, and then I'm gonna go back to sleep for road match, man. You know, that's how I go on right now.
Boy.
Later.
When I say that,
But I think I have to say it. When I can look for my face and I say I'm tired. Like the way I'm tired, I don't know if the boat will see me tomorrow. And it's to God. Anyways, we're getting ready. It's after 5 right now. Been up since 4:30. Yeah. We just want to speed through the makeup because yeah. Alright guys, so I feel like I can't tell you now. Although I already see by my thumbnail, but I'm wearing my Zara! Wow, yeah, that your section.
And you know that somebody say, yes, so you know the Azula gangers.
Everybody think you wear Azula. Everybody.
I don't know why.
Because you're a blue girl. You love
no,
the
there's
blues.
somebody think I eat like them sitting pick up. I don't know which
because you know in the vlog it did look like it.
Yeah, people I mean it's such a beautiful costume.
In the real way you post my first say,
oh yeah.
It did look like I ate.
Cause piece I win from somebody else's I think was speaking. So.
Right.
But switch it up. Can't just have the blues so every year.
Tired of the blues.
I'm not tired of the blues.
You love blues.
The
You have an accent where you do sometime? Because I don't know. Sometimes the British accent just jump out of nowhere.
yeah, absolutely.
Which accent?
Sometimes maybe a little British too. Sometimes it can be a different state.
Like which state?
New York.
Give me an example. I've never heard that before.
Oh my god.
I've never heard it before. I want to hear it.
But I don't know if I say I have to give me something to say.
We're getting ready to go to Carnival.
But that's something in New York. I go say Carnival is something for the Caribbean. So I can't tell you all the accent.
Alright, you don't have no accent.
You put me on the spot.
Can you make things too complicated right now?
You put me on the spot.
So go scratch your body for a bag where I love me.
Me feel you I watch you.
Alright, so I'm finished with my hair and makeup. I just did a little blue liner underneath and like a little dab of glitter pink shadow on top. I'm gonna put on my costume right now because it's actually 6:38 and Travis is picking us up at 7:30. I don't want to be late. I don't want him to wait on us because he might have other pickups to do. So I'm just going to get right into putting on my costume. As I said, when I can't see this, I'll just come back to y'all when I reach in the taxi or at the Emancipation Park because I'm going to have to help Swan with her costume as well. So I'll get a little bit, you know. So I'll see you guys. It's time to go. I have on my armband. But if I take off this, listen, tired. Anyways, come, we're going road. I am dressed, guys. We are here. Coming out of the sun. It's still, you know. Yeah. Come. Shut up. Here we are. Step back. Yes. Ooh. Yeah. Oh my gosh, so gorgeous. We took our time.
Yo, when we set it, we wake up 4 o'clock. We'll take our next half hour, but we woke up 4:30. Yeah.
So we got breakfast. I opted for stewed chicken and food. It's a little cold. I just been here for a hot minute, but I is down here. So I'm gonna get tea. A poor mom. First drink of the day. That's amigos and orange juice. Oh, sorry. Good. It's so cold and it's the morning. I don't want to see what I'm going to cook after lunch. But I can see. But yeah. Unless we're talking hard work. Why not, chum? Why not gonna get? So, almost on time, but we're tired. But them are line up for, across the stage. You're not tired? That's me. We're getting separated. We're crossing the stage.
I hear them tell HMV songs to stop living in the start from you. Tell me from a place where so can they be found in. But what you could feel anytime.
Okay, it's a stressful. Look who I found. Like stand up away from me.
Yes, I was.
People, we need some water. Tired is an understatement right now. Like, I feel so burnt out. But it's good. That's how you know it's good. The energy is very high. That's why I'm tired. I just got my lunch. About to have it so still in the line, I think. So, yeah. We eat this. Not gonna lie, GenXS, not because it's sponsored, not because we're ambassadors. Them think about everything. Listen, there's a charging station right in front of me, guys.
Oh, the spa where she go to the.
There's a spa. There's photo ops. The food line quick. You can check in your wing if you don't want to sit down and eat with it. GenX will be seeing me again. Thank God for food. Big up food all the time. One food, never two. It's raining. What's a blessing? What's up, guys? We're back at Emancipation Park and we're waiting for Tess. We're waiting for Tess to perform and then we're gonna go home. The food them dead, the food them tired. Real tired, bye. Yeah. We tired, we couldn't stand up for Kiss. We're there, we're Punjabi to go home. Yes, she has a personal Bamba Road. I get the feeling. Right up on the bumper, baby. I know it from the city. So I'm back home. Can you believe that my makeup really withstand the whole day? That Sasha primer is something serious. Like literally, that's. I just prime my face with the Sasha primer and right as I done my base, I use setting spray set it. And then when we're done, we use setting spray set it again. I am tired, my feet are swollen, me sweat until salt dip on my skin. Road experience with GenXS 2025, 10 out of 10. As me say, last year I was with a band, right? I was an ambassador for the band and I still come and tell the truth that the road experience never had. The lunch wasn't good. I tell you the truth. This year, the people I'm feed with, the food tastes good. Them feed with the food tastes good. Them think about every little thing and you can know when a woman's hand dip on something. Mala, big up Mala. Mala think about everything. GenX will be seeing me again on it, and the vibes on the road, oh god man, oh god, the vibes on the road was immaculate. Immaculate. But it's the end of the night. It's the end of Carnival 2025 and I have to edit the rest of the video. So if you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go and interact with me in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys next week in my next vlog. Thank you for tuning in this year, even for one time a year you come on the channel. Big up you. Shami signing out. Jamaica Carnival 2025 has come to an end.